Okay guys, so in this lab we are going to discuss about the analyze application security configurations. So first I am going to log in with this system. The username jam and the password is. So actually first I am going to start the mail server which pre-installed on this system. So I don't need to install it. This is the local one. The name of the mail server is a HMail server which is pre-installed. Here is a one database setup, another is a HMail server administrator. So opening this, and this is the local host. If we go in a edit, so you can see all these things. I am going to make the connect. So it will ask for the password. So I am providing the password whatever exists, and once you will, the password will be, first I need to, here is the domains. You can see there is a one domain 515support.com. When I am selecting this domain, then you can find out here is the accounts detail, and inside the accounts you will see all the account details are there, like Sam, administrator, Angel, Danny, Dan, and much more are here. All the accounts are there. Okay, so I am going to select the jam, and here the configuration. Inside the configuration you can see the multiple informations are there. Okay, but not any type of the encryption is happened here. No encryption are available. Okay, if I will go in a settings, inside the setting, then use the protocol SMTP, POP3 and IMAP. Okay, so there is a also no security available on the, there is a no SMTPS. Also the roots are available, no root are there, because this is on the local system. So you can see the running protocols on the server is a POP and SMTP and IMAP. Okay, these are the protocol are available. Now I need to move on my another machine. It is the PC 10 machine. Where will I do some things? Means I need to configure the client. So this is the client. I am logging with the same name, because this is the domain name. We can, okay, so now I will send some mails through the using the Thunderbird, Mozilla Thunderbird. This is the email client, and email client, you know, always download the messages and send the messages. Okay, but what type of the message is encrypt or not encrypt? How will you analyze? You can analyze with the help of the Wireshark. You can use the Wireshark and you can capture the data, and then you can analyze this data actually encrypted or the non-encrypted. Okay, so start data has been start the capturing. In a behind there is a some multicasting and communication happened. So how to be analyze? We can analyze by sending some mails. So first mail I am going to send by click on the right, and here I need to provide a email address sam@515support.com. Okay, this is the mail, and here if you want to give the any subject means like I am sending the secret of the company secrets, and so what is the secret is hello, the latest company innovation meeting is anything you can write here. So once the message has been done, now I am going to click on the send. So message has been sent. Now I am going to write another message to the administrator. administrator @515support.com. This is the SMTP server 515support.com, and here the subject good password, and I am asking to the administrator, is the password, this is the password I am going to use, a good password or not? Use and send. So I have sent the two messages. Now I am going to analyze inside the Wireshark. I am going to stop this one, stop here. Okay, so here I need to analyze different. So first I am going to analyze the DNS. Okay, so I need to do the filter here, DNS, and hit enter. So all the DNS query can be find out here. Okay, so you can see the messages related to the DNS query, and DNS query is running over the UDP or the TCP. How will you identify? You can simply check out here, select any message, any data, and then you can see here the UDP are used, UDP, and the source port number is 65221 and the destination port number is 53. So this is the query, and here is the domain name query. Whatever the domain name query will be here, and it will be written like WCP type A and class in. Whatever the query will be display here. Okay. So right now this is running over the UDP port number 53. Okay, now the question is, I am going to check about the SMTP server. So SMTP means SMTP, not SMTP, IMAP, because this is the client. So client is sending the request and receiving the request. So I need to use the TCP dot port number and is equal to 143. As you know, the IMAP protocol or the port number, all of you know, the port number is 143 used by the IMAP. So now you can see there is some acknowledgement and communication happened, and also message which I have sent to the jamie@support.com, and I use the login. First I have used the login information, Jamie, and it is the password. Now what I have sent the detail, so also it will be display here, Jamie, subject, you can see the message is there, message here, the to send to sam@515support.com, and from the Jamie. And what is the subject? Subject is a company secret, and this is the message ID, and what is the content written inside it? We will have to find hello, then the latest here, and then enter and enter. So all the information in a single packet you can find out. Okay, so Sam is written here, and also you can find out the administrator communication also. Administrator 515 secured. This is the request. And here when you analyze this protocol, so you will find here the administrator, the line, Jamie, good password, the subject, and message here, the enter and enter and enter, line is the password is good for me for the use. So what I want to show you, if any data sent over the unsecure channel, it will be generally captured by the third party. It is possible. Okay, so understand about the application security.